Welcome to Exploring Color in Foods. Get ready to discover a world full of bright colors with delicious food. Let's begin. Now come and see what we have here. Look, it's a red gummy bear. Red gummy bear. Let's see what's next. It's an orange waffle. Orange waffle. Up next is a plate of yellow cupcakes. Yellow cupcakes. The next one is it's a dollop of green wasabi. Green wasabi. Moving on to the next food. It's a slice of blueberry cake. Blueberry cake. Up next is it's a purple popsicle. Purple popsicle. Let's see what's next. It's a slice of pink velvet cake. Pink velvet cake. The next one is a fresh brown mushroom. Brown mushroom. Up next is a scoop of black chocolate ice cream. Black chocolate ice cream. Finally, this is the last one. It's a block of white tofu. White tofu. Great job, everyone! Let's recap the colors we learned today. Could you repeat after me? Ready? Red gummy bear. Orange waffle. Yellow cupcakes. Green wasabi. Blue blueberry cake. Purple popsicle. Pink velvet cake. Brown mushroom. Black chocolate ice cream. White tofu. Yummy! Well done! Now it's time for a colorful food challenge. I'll show you a dish and you tell me its color. Are you ready? Let's have some fun! Thank you for joining me on this colorful food adventure. If you enjoyed learning about colors and foods, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting adventures. See you next time!